Hello people, today we will learn about iPhone and I would like to show you the way how you can check the real battery health of your iPhone. So if you are checking your battery by just open the settings, slide down and found this battery, and then you think that this battery health and charging is the true condition of your health battery, now you are totally wrong. You just need to go back until you have this type of option, and then you just need to visit your privacy and security. Now you just need to scrolling all the way down until you found this analytic and improvement. Just tap it, and now just pick the second option, which is the analytic data. Go click it, and you just need to find the last analytic that you have from your iPhone. So today I take this video in the 7th May 2021. So this is the newest updates data analytic. Just go click it to open it. Now the next thing you need to do is just copy everything inside of this. So you just need to go tap twice, and then just need to drag the cursor into the whole documents here. So it's quite tricky, guys, so make sure that you do it patiently, and then just need to make sure that you drag all the way down. You just need to wait until the document is just start to running by itself, and or you can just scrolling down. And here I already copy everything, and then you just need to tap it, and you just need to copy all the way information that you just plug here. Then you just need to go back into your home screen and open your Apple Note, and you just need to create the new notes and paste your information inside of this notes, because we need to find some value over here. Now we just need to go with this trace model on the top right corner, and then just need to go with this find in notes, and then you just need to type this last underscore value underscore cycles, and then you just need to find this data. So there will be 172 and 1294. So you just need to calculate this. So the way how you can calculate the formula I already write down on the descriptions box, so you can check it. So now my actual battery health is only 51.76 compared to what the information given by the iPhone itself. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy it. Please drop some question into the comment below, and let's meet again into other tutorial.